In this video, I'll show you how you can add captions to a video on CapCut. So what you need to do is open up a new project or go into an existing project where you have the video. I'm going to go and open up this project here. This is an existing project and you can see these are the type of captions we're going to be adding. So now I've deleted them and we've just got the video. Let me show you how to add them. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead and make sure that you're not clicked on the video. Make sure you clicked on the black screen. And then you'll be able to see auto captions. So click on auto captions here. Now you can then generate from your video. It's going to auto detect the language and you can then choose what template you want. There are a couple of free ones available. I use this one in the video. So we're going to click on that and then we will go and click generate. That's going to then generate the auto captions, and what we can do from here, we can go ahead and resize them. And once you resize it on one section, it will resize for all of your other sections as well. Now, if you click on the captions on the timeline here, you can click edit captions and you can go ahead and edit if there are any misspells. If you go to style at the bottom, you can then change things like the template. You can also go to effects and add an effect if you want to. Now, what I usually do is I just go to the styles section. I then go to background and you can add a background, or if you go to shadow, I like to add a black shadow as well as also a black stroke. So you've got shadow, we've also got stroke, and then you can obviously see you can make these captions to your liking. Once you've done that, just play the video, make sure the captions are okay. So I'll do that now. This is my YouTube plaque that I got. So as you can see, it does need editing a little bit, but we can do that. But once we're happy with these captions, we can then just export in the top right-hand corner.